I was going to say, so we were talking about, yes, Florida's rates are coming down. Like if you looked at an average, they are down, or the carriers are having decreases, I would say. But, in the Tri-County area, the high-risk areas, or like Tampa, areas like that, we're not seeing as much of a decrease. So while, we may see a little bit of an increase here, but it's not going to be 40% or it's going to be somewhere flat. But rates overall in Florida are down.
It's happening. Yeah, we're watching it happen.
Yeah,
I love the validation that comes from all. I mean, you've been saying it for 2 years, basically. Like it's gonna be a slow.
Got to cycle through.
I wonder if gap insurance will ever come back. Remember, we were doing the gap insurance thing for savings?
For deductibles.
Yeah, for deductibles.
I got like a flyer in the mail that said, insure your premium. So you can insure against a premium increase. So if you could pay, and if your premium goes up by, $400, then they'll kick in the $400.
I mean, listen, that's a great business if you know that rates are coming down.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're like, I'll give you insurance against an increase, right?
That feels like some real potential for some insider information on that, doesn't it? Yeah.
So it seems shady. I didn't look into it.
Can I ask one more question, Jim, on
please.
insurance?
We got a little bit.
If you remember, I think the overwhelming narrative is that the stuff that they changed at the state level as it relates to litigation and fraud has mattered the biggest impact.
Yep.
And if you go back in time, you remember what people were saying on the other side of that argument, which I think in a nutshell is like homeowners are going to get the shaft, right? Like homeowners are going to have a terrible time with claims. It's just going to be a hard process. If you have a legitimate claim, deny, all of that. Has anyone done a study to see what's happened on that end of things? Like, has the experience for homeowners been worse?
Well, yes. I actually was going to bring that up a couple of weeks ago, so let's just talk about it right now. Now, just so you know, this is not a reflection of Ross, because Ross is an agent that brokers the policies. He doesn't deal with the claims afterwards.
But he's got probably some insight, right? He's got clients, talk to him.